Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will explain you about insert data with data loaders. So let's jump to the topic and discuss about how to insert data with data loader in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So let's move ahead. So for importing the data with data loader, we firstly click on the start menu and enter the data loader in the search box. And here is the data loader. So click on the data loader. This is the Salesforce data loader 59.00. Now click on the insert option that is present on the right side. So click on this insert button. After clicking on the insert button, number one step is coming, that is login. So click on the password authentication checkbox and here we go. We can see there are username present. So enter the username here and after that enter the password which you set for your Salesforce account. Enter here and after entering the password, now check the Salesforce login URL and then click on the login button. But show error, check your username and password if you still cannot log in. But our password and username is correct. So what can I do? When we try to log in into the Salesforce from some external source, username and password are not sufficient. We also need a third thing, which is called a security token. From where we get this security token? So go to the Salesforce account and then click on the profile picture. And under this profile picture, there is a user setting present. Click on this user setting. And over here on the left side, we can see there is a option reset my security token. So click on this option, reset my security token. And here we go, our reset security token page is open. For getting the security token, we click on the reset security token. After clicking on that, we get back a message. We send a new security token to the email address for your account. This. So go to your Gmail. So we come to our Gmail and here we go. We can see the Salesforce mail is coming. And here we can see the security token is shown. This security token is an alphanumeric case sensitive text which we need to add after your password in order to log in from an external application into Salesforce. So just copy the security token from your mail and I am copying this. After copying the security token from here and we add our security token after the password and then click on the login button and here we go. We can log in successfully in our insert data loader. And our next step is to select the data object. And here we are selecting the contact object. And then we want to choose the CSV file. And here we want to insert the CSV file. So we click on the browse option and search the CSV file that you want to upload. And here we want to insert the contact data.csv. So we click on this file and click on the open button. And here we go. Our link of the contact data.csv file are shown here under the choose CSV file field. And then we click on the next button and it's initializing the Salesforce object and CSV file. After initializing this, you can see the initializing succeed message is shown. The CSV file has a 5 row, dash size 200, start at row 0, current API usage the org 4, API limit for the org 15,000 and the API version is 59.0. So we can hit OK button and here we go. Our third step is come up, that is mapping. Click on the create or edit map. For mapping the field, our mapping dialog box is open here and we can map the Salesforce object field to our CSV column header. So now first map the first name. So drag the first name from the Salesforce object There is the first name. Search the first name. Here is the first name. Drag it and drop it here. Now search the last name. Where is the last name? Here is the last name. Now drag it and drop it here. Now search the phone number. Where is the phone number field from the Salesforce object? Here is the phone number field. Drag it and drop it here. Now search the email address. Where is the email address? Here is the email. So drag the email and drop it here. Now search the title. Where is the title? And here is the title. Drag it and drop it here. Now you can see our all the fields are mapped. So click on the save mapping if you want to save, and then click on the next. After saving the mapping, we come back to our current field mapping page, and here we can see our fields are mapped successfully, and then click on the next button. Now we move to our next step, that is a finish step, and here we click on the browse option and we go to our file manager, and under this we select the folder where we want to store our file, and we store this file on the desktop. So we click on the desktop and then select the folder, and here we go. Our desktop link is shared under the folder field, and then we click on the finish button. Here the warning message pop up. You have chosen to insert new record. Click on yes to begin, and if you do not want to proceed, then click on no. But we want to proceed, so we click on the yes button. And here the progress information is shown, and here we can see that the loading insert processed 5 of 5 total record in 2 seconds. There are 5 succeed and 0 errors. Rate 9,000 records per hour. Estimated time to complete 0 minute 0 second. And after that, our operation finished dialog box is open. The operation has fully completed. There were 5 successful insert and 0 errors. So for viewing the success, click on the view success option, and here the view CSV file is shown. And if you want to view the error, click on the view error. There is a no error, so we cannot see any error in the CSV file. And if you want to proceed further, so click on the OK button. And here we go. We successfully insert our data with the help of data loader. Now we want to see the success CSV file that we are inserted and save on the desktop location. So for this, go to our desktop, and on the desktop we can see 2 files are shown, success 121 and the error 12112. So for seeing the success CSV file, click on the success CSV file, and here we go. And our success CSV file is open. All the data of 5 records are shown under this CSV file. Now we want to show the error CSV file. So we go back to our desktop, and here is the error CSV file. Click on this file, and our error CSV file is open, and under this we can see no data is present because no error is comes up and no error data is shown here. So with this, we have come to the end of the video session. We will see you in the next one.